I'm going to teach you how to use Google AdSense effectively. Whether you're a beginner, looking to monetize your website, or just need a refresher, this walkthrough will guide you through the essential steps to get started. First, let's head over to Google AdSense. You can easily find it by typing Google AdSense into your search bar, and it should appear among the top results. Once there, you'll see a prominent sign-in button. Click it and log in using your Google account credentials. If you're new to AdSense, don't worry. It's a fairly straightforward process. Having a Google account is essential here, so make sure you either sign in or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the AdSense homepage here. You'll be asked to enter some pivotal information about your website. This step is crucial because it helps AdSense tailor ads to your audience, optimizing both user experience and your potential earnings. Take your time and ensure all details are accurate and comprehensive. After providing your website details, the next step is focusing on ads. On your AdSense interface, you will find an Ads tab. Clicking this allows you to manage how ads are displayed on your site. This is where you can decide which types of ads suit your website best. Consider factors like placement for maximum visibility and ad types that engage your audience without disrupting their experience. Once you're set up with ads, it's important to configure your sites. Within your AdSense dashboard, you'll find an option titled Sites. Clicking on it allows you to manage each site you want to monetize. You can add new sites, manage ads on existing ones, or remove sites no longer in use. Make sure each site complies with AdSense policies to avoid potential issues. Don't forget to use the Manage Your Site section to oversee all the sites you're monetizing under one roof. This section acts like your command center. It provides insights into site performance and lets you make real-time changes if necessary. You can monitor which sites are driving the most revenue and adjust your strategies accordingly. And that's the essentials of getting started with Google AdSense. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to effectively monetizing your site. Remember, success with AdSense is an ongoing process of optimization and learning. Keep experimenting with different ad placements and formats to find what works best for you and your audience. Now, go ahead, dive in, and start maximizing your site's earning potential. Happy Google AdSense using.